In this video, I will show you how to register your apartment in Airbnb. So first, once you're logged in Airbnb.com, you want to switch to the hosting version of Airbnb. Now this is the hosting section, and you come here, click on listings. If you don't have any listings right here, you won't see this, but I already had one. And if you want to create a new one, just click on the plus icon, right? It'll applicable for you as well, even if you were new. And here you need to click on create a new listing. And now this is just an overview. We can go ahead and click on get started because I'll guide you through everything. And when this comes up, don't worry. It's just a minor glitch error they're having on their website. Just press exit right here. And if I go back to listing, you will see this in progress. Okay, go ahead and click on that and then click on edit listing. As you can see, now we can go ahead and edit it as well. Now, which of these best describes your place? We're doing apartment. So go ahead and select that and then click on next. Now, right here, we need to go ahead and choose the privacy type. Are you giving them the entire place or just a specific room in a home, right? Or is it a shared room in a hostel? I'll do an entire place, my whole apartment. Now here you enter your location, just enter the address. So the one I'm listing right now is in Kensington. So I'll go ahead and do 59 Star Road. Okay, there we go. And it is in the United Kingdom, as you can see, Greater London, that's okay. All right, so this is the approximate location. If you want, you can toggle this one on. Then your address will be shared after they have made a reservation. You can toggle that on if you want. I'll go ahead and just click on next right now. And then on this page, they'll ask you to make sure that this place is actually in the right pin, right? You can drag the map to reposition the pin, but I'll leave it like that because that is perfect for now. Okay, share some basics about your place. How many guests can stay? Well, mine is just a 1 bedroom, 1 bed, 1 bath, right? Only 2 guests. Go ahead and choose that. Click on next. Choose what is applicable to you, okay? Now, next we will make our place stand out. Perfect. So we will have to choose some amenities that we provide. I'll have Wi-Fi, TV, kitchen, washer, free parking, air conditioning. Then you can go ahead and see what else is applicable. If you do have exercise equipment, no pianos, you can do that. It really helps you out. If you have safety items as well, you can do that. Now, go ahead and press on next. Basically, the more amenities you have, the higher chance you have of renting your place out. Now we need to add some photos of our apartment. Click on add photos and you can drag and drop or browse for photos. I'll do the drag and drop option. All right, here we go. I have these images of my place. So I'll go ahead and drag it here to Airbnb and it will start uploading everything. Right, just click on upload and then it should start uploading. It'll only take a few seconds, honestly. So let's wait for that. All right, 8 out of 8 items have been uploaded. Now it's arranging our photos to show our place. Of course, you want to choose a nice cover photo. For example, if you want to choose this as your cover photo, just go ahead and click on these 3 dots, click on make cover photo, right? But honestly, the other one was the best. So I'll go ahead and stick to the bedroom. It is a much better choice than having a bathroom as the cover photo, right? Unless it is a really good bathroom, right? I'll go ahead and press next right here. And now we need to give our apartment a nice title. I will just go ahead and do spacious apartment in Kensington. So what I'm doing right now is using keywords, what people search for, right? On Airbnb. Apartment in Kensington, right? Things like that. I'll go ahead and press on next. And now we need to add a description, right? So we need to describe our apartment. I would say it is in a central location and it is stylish. So I'll use those. You can choose up to 2. I'll go ahead and click next right here. Now we need to give a description. Make sure it has some keywords people are searching for, but don't just make it too much like keywords because then it would not be appealing to read. You want to have a nice balance, okay? All right, there we go. I have laid out the overall description. You have up to 500 characters. You can go ahead and fill that in. I have, shown some of the unique selling points right here. It's just minutes away from the street and top restaurants, access to public transport, perfect for couples, solo travelers, business days, right? I'm hitting the target market. Now, If something like this comes up, don't worry, just click on next again. That happens sometimes. There are some glitches on Airbnb, don't worry about it. Now here we pick our booking settings. So you can either choose to approve your first 5 bookings. This is actually recommended if you are new, or you can do instant book where you get let guests book automatically. I would not recommend that if you are new, okay? And here you can choose who to welcome for your first reservation. Do you want any Airbnb guest? But this, this option will actually give you fast reservations. But honestly, if you are new, go ahead and choose an experienced guest because they would have a good track record on Airbnb. You can also offer you tips on how you can be a great host. Go ahead and press on next. And right here, you can set the pricing. I'll go ahead and stick with what Airbnb gave me for now. You can also go ahead and see similar listings. Right, this is the price range. I'll go on the lower side. If you want, you can even make it just £100, right? You can do that as well. I'll go ahead and press on next. And here you can decide to offer discounts because if you offer discounts, you are more likely to get your place booked faster, and you can also get your first reviews to help you going, right? You can do a new listing promotion, provide 20%. You can do a weekly discount for stays of 7 nights or more, or monthly discount. You can, of course, change the percentages here as well. You can either toggle them on or off if you want. I'll go ahead and press on next. 20% monthly discount. And then this is just about the last step. Are you hosting on Airbnb? Are you hosting it as a private individual, or are you doing it as a business? I'll stick to private individual. You can go ahead and do these. If you have any of these, you can do that. I'll go ahead and press on next as I do not have any of those. Now here you can go ahead and preview your listing. As you can see, there's a discount that was applied for the first people for the new listing. This place looks nice, right? And then you can go ahead and press on next, or you can just go ahead and save and exit. And of course, it will be published once it gets reviewed and you have provided some important details such as your identification. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.